Not everyone knows this, but plastics can actually be converted back into crude oil. Plastic is originally made from crude oil, and under the right conditions, it can be broken down and turned back into crude oil again. Plastic has become a serious problem in our society. Millions of tons of plastics are dumped into the environment in landfills, rivers, and in oceans, where they remain for decades without breaking down. But what if some of those plastic waste can be reused instead of being thrown away? What if instead of treating plastic only as waste, we treat it as a source of fuel? One possible way to reduce the amount of plastic entering the environment is by converting part of it back into useful products, such as fuel. In this video, I'm going to show you a practical demonstration where I converted plastic back into crude oil. For this project, I'm using a mixture of high-density polyethylene and low-density polyethylene plastic, because not all plastics are recyclable. Most plastic can produce toxic fumes, and these fumes are dangerous. First, we're going to have to make a reaction chamber. When plastic is heated in the presence of oxygen, it burns. But when oxygen is removed, burning cannot take place. Instead, the plastic breaks down into smaller hydrocarbon molecules and exists as vapor. If those vapors are cooled, they condense back into liquid very similar to crude oil fractions. For the reaction chamber, I used a metallic paint container, and then I made a hole at the top of the lid, and then I passed a pipe through it so that the fumes can go through. And then I filled up the reaction chamber with plastic. I placed the reaction chamber on my propane burner, and I turn on the flame. So now I'm going to let this heat up for a while so the plastic could break down and start producing gases. And after a while, we have fumes coming out of the pipe. These fumes are flammable, so we're going to test to see if it's actually flammable. So, by lighting this up with a lighter, we have flame. So, all we need to do now is condense the fumes and collect our crude oil. Because I didn't have a copper pipe to condense the fumes, I used a plastic container to not only condense, but also to collect the end product. This process took quite a while, and I was able to collect a good amount of crude oil. This crude oil can be refined to make gasoline, diesel, kerosene, jet fuel, and many other fuels. So guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay creative and stay safe. Goodbye.